Kandia with Kandia Haynesworth Designs, and thank you so much for joining in. I am destashing items in my studio, and that includes embroidery, sewing, and craft categories, supplies, equipment, materials, and even samples. And what you are looking at is a scrapbook crafting bundle, and it is a 32-piece set or bundle that I am selling for $65 plus shipping and handling. And so you will pay shipping and handling to your zip code within the U.S. And so I'm only shipping within the United States territories from zip code 18332. And so let's go through what's in this bundle. First, you are getting 3 tassels. And if you guys remember, a couple of years back, Michaels used to sell these. They no longer sell these. This is a baby theme. And so the colors here are going to be pink, blue, and white. And then you are getting some packs of paper flowers. You have a yellow one and a pink one. And then you're going to get an acrylic keychain, as well as little stickers for scrapbooking. And so here you have a card. Here you have a 2-piece set for a baby girl card. And then you have little slippers, and that's cute for scrapbooking. And then you have these stickers, as well as some buttons here. And then you have a pack of I guess they're just cardstock die cutouts, and it is 23 in here. And then you have another pack of stickers for a boy, another pack of stickers for a boy, as well as these metal tags. Then you have an iron-on, and this says made in the USA, and this could be for a boy or a girl. And then you have this glitter frame, as well as these pearl pop-up stickers. And then you have these little diaper 3-piece embellishments, as well as these are super cute. I absolutely love these. And then you have this little bib. The one thing I like about this bib is that it has a little embroidery on it. Can you imagine? So cute. Okay, and so you're going to get that, and also you're going to get some cling stamps. Okay, and so this is all baby stuff. Okay, so let me just show you. You're going to get this 4-piece set, and this is from Studio G. And these stickers, these cling stamps are from a variety of companies, and I'll go through the companies as I am showing you. And then this is like a baby shower invitation. This is from Snag 'em Up Stamps. And then you have another layered title baby stickers. These are die cutouts, and these are by Color Book. And then you have these cling stamps. And as you can see, all of these are brand new. Everything here is brand new, never used before. And some of these I paid $9.99 for. And I'll show you the ones that I paid $9.99 for. This one is actually retailing for $9.99. And as you can see, you get multiple cling stamps in here. And then you have a tile set here, and as you can see, it is multiple tiles, and so you can do a lot of stamping here, as well as this theme here. And so I really like this. And then you have a princess set. And as you can see, a lot of them have 7, 8, 10 stamps in them. This is one of the ones that I did pay $9.99 for, and I did not use a coupon on these. And I remember this very clearly because I bought 3 in this set, 3 collections. So I bought the baby girl one, and then I bought the baby boy, and then I also bought the and then I bought the christening one. And the reason why I couldn't use a coupon is because I had bought something else, and you know, when you use a coupon, you can only use it on one item. So these 3 had cost $9.99 each. And then you have a full set of cling stamps with the calendar on it. Okay, so you're getting a lot here, well over $65 in value, with these 3 alone being $9.99 each. That would be $30, and then the set under there, the cling set, that alone too would be about another $10. And then you have a princess one. This is by Inkadoo. All right, and these sets cost about $11, $10 or $11. Sometimes you can find them on sale. And then you have this one. This is like a birthday theme, and this is very cute. You can make little tiles with this. And then you have another clear cling stamp, as well as a 3D pop-up sticker, and then you have these little ones here for the invitation. Okay, and so this is all going to be in the bundle. All right, and so if you are interested, please click the link below. And keep in mind, I only have one set available. So if you are that lucky person, then all of this can be yours for $65, what plus shipping and handling. And keep in mind, this is a 32-piece set, so that would roughly make things about $2 each. And so even though some items would not have been $2, they were at least $1. Like these little cling, these little stickers here. But then when you got this set, these sets alone, like if these were $10 each, this would be 10. Oh, I'm knocking the camera over. 10, 20, 30. The one behind it 40, the one behind it 50. So this is well, and even this one would be probably about $10 as well, or $8. So these alone, outside of all of these, would be roughly about $50. So you are really getting a good deal here. And plus, you're getting all the rest of these stamp sets, which would, if you bought these alone, this would be like $60 on its own if you bought the stamp sets alone. Okay, and then plus all of the embellishments. And so, if you want it, click the link below. You will be transferred over to my website, and you can purchase it. I only have one bundle available, and I will not hold. So, if you do not submit payment, I will move on to the next one. And you can also text me at 570-733-4300 if you have any questions. Don't forget to come visit me on Facebook at KandiaHaynesworth.com or Instagram. And please subscribe and click that bell so you can be notified when I upload videos. Thank you.